Hello my dear children, welcome to the maths class. My dears, today we are continuing the same chapter, chapter 3, numbers. So children, do you remember in the last class we discussed the expanded form of numbers. Expanded form of numbers. So today, first we will discuss the home assignment answers. I hope everyone completed your home assignments. So, we will discuss our home assignment answers first, then we will move to today's topic. The questions were based on expanded form of numbers, isn't it? So, the first question was 765. How to expand the number 765? Yes, 700 plus 60 plus 5. Then second number 402. First you have to write the place value of 4, that is 400, plus second digit is 0, place value of 0, that is 0, plus place value of 2, 2, that you can write. So 400 plus 0 plus 2 is the expanded form of 402. Then 710, that is 700 plus 10 plus 0. Then D 259, that is 200 plus 50 plus 9. Then 513, that is 500 plus 10 plus 3, that is 530. Then 901, that is 900 plus 0 plus 1. This is the expanded form of these all numbers. Dear children, I hope everybody got the same answers. Okay. Alright. Today we are going to move to other topic, and today's attraction is short form. Today's topic is short form. Okay. Now we know how to expand a number, isn't it? So now we will learn how to write the short form of a number from the expanded form. Okay children? Short form. When we added the expanded form of a number, we get short form. Okay. So, we know in expanded form, we are writing the numbers as the sum of its place value, isn't it? So, when we added this expanded form of a number, we get the short form. Okay. I will show you some examples. Look, write the following in short form. Write the following in short form. So, 100 plus 20 plus 5. Children, do you know how to write this number in short form? 100 plus 20 plus 5. 100. So, which is the digit in hundreds place? It is 1. So, first you write 1 as the answer. Then plus 20. So, which is the digit in tens place? It is 2. So, write 2 in the next position, just after 1 you write 2. Then plus 5, the ones place digit is 5. So, you write 5 just after 2. So, we got the number 125. So, 100 plus 20 plus 5 is equal to 125. That is the short form of 100 plus 20 plus 5 is 125. Okay. Now look at the second question. 200 plus 40 plus 6, which is equal to? Yes, 200. So first you write 2, then 40. From that you write 4, 6. 6 you write in ones place. So you got the number 256, 246. This is the short form of this number. Now the third one. 500 plus 90 plus 0, that is 5 in hundreds place. So, first you write 5 in hundreds place, then 90. So, 9 in tens place plus 0. So, you can put 0 in ones place. So, we got the number 590, that is 590. Okay children, this is the way to write the short form of expanded forms. Okay. Let's discuss some more questions. 800 plus 0 plus 7. How to write? Yes, 1800s place 0 in tens place and 7 in ones place, that is 807. Then 200 plus 90 plus 0, that is first 2 in hundreds place, 9 in tens place and 0 in ones place. Okay. So, we got the number 290, that is 290 as the short form. Now, the next question, 600 plus 60 plus 6, how to write? That is 600. From that we can write the hundreds place digit, that is 6. Then tens place digit is again 6 and the ones place digit is also 6. So, 666 is the short form of these expanded number. Got it, children? Okay. Now, let us discuss some questions based on these all. Okay. So, the first question, here you have to tick the correct answer. First question, 4 hundreds plus 3 ones is equal to dash. 4 hundreds plus 3 ones is equal to dash. So, what is 4 hundreds? Yeah, 400 is 400, isn't it? So, 4 hundreds is given and then the tens place is not given, then it is given is the ones place digit. So, 403 will be the answer, isn't it? 400 plus 3 ones means it is the number 403, that is 403. Now, next expanded form is given, you write the short form, that is 7 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 6 ones. So, all the hundreds, tens and ones, all the places are given here. So, write 7 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place and 6 in ones place. You will get the number 756. Okay, that is 756. Option C is the right answer. Now, look at the next one. 6 hundreds plus 7 tens. So, first you check all the places are given. No, the ones place is not given here, isn't it? 6 hundreds plus 7 tens and here ones place is not given. So, if any place is not given, you should write 0 on that place. Okay. So, 6 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place and you can put 0 in ones place. So, the answer is 670. Where is that number? Yes, option A is the right answer. Now, fourth question, 8 hundreds plus 1 1. 8 hundreds plus 1 1. Here the hundreds place is given, but the tens place is not given. Okay. So, in the tens place you have to put a 0 and the ones place is given 1 1. Okay. So, you can write it as 8 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 1 in ones place. So, option B 801 is the right answer. My dear children, I hope the concept of short form is very clear for you. Now, we are moving to some home assignments. Okay. So, today's home assignments are write the following in short form. The expanded form of numbers are given here. You write these numbers in short form. Okay, children? Okay. So, everyone do this in your maths notebook. Okay, children? So, I am winding up for today. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.